If you've been in an accident at work, it's important to understand your rights and your employer's obligations under the Workers' Compensation and Injury Management Act 1981. If your employer is making your workers' compensation claim difficult, this video may help you. When it comes to workers' compensation claims for work-related injuries and diseases, here are the employer's two main obligations. First, your employer is legally required to have a current workers' compensation insurance policy that covers all their workers and a documented injury management program for your workplace. This means that there should be clear procedures in place about how to make a workers' compensation claim and how to handle injuries and claims. In Western Australia, your employer can choose from one of 9 approved workers' compensation insurers or be self-insured. All approved workers' comp insurers and self-insurers must operate according to the insurer and self-insurer principles and standards of practice. This is to ensure that everyone is treated fairly and that the best possible outcomes are achieved. Second, if you have made a workers' compensation claim, your employer must manage it by the Act. This includes providing medical treatment, paying your wages whilst you're unable to work, and helping you return to work when ready. As an injured worker, it's important to remember that the law facilitates a fair outcome, but if you don't take action, then you won't get a fair outcome. If you feel that you haven't been treated properly during the workers' compensation process, you should speak with a workers' compensation lawyer. A good workers' comp lawyer can help ensure that you're not taken advantage of and that you have a high chance of receiving a fair outcome. Thanks for watching our video on workers' compensation and injury management. We hope you found it informative and helpful. Subscribe for more workers' compensation videos in Western Australia.